Hey y'all, today we're going to be resetting the maintenance reminder on a 2020 Mazda CX-5. So we're going to be running through our knob and buttons. And what we're going to do is from our home screen, we're going to scroll over, click the button to select applications, vehicle status monitor, scroll down to maintenance. It's going to ask us if we want to reset our oil change. Yes, we are going to reset. And that's that. Oil change is reset. You can also reset your tire rotation or other scheduled maintenance. This customer has these options turned off though. Thanks for watching. See you next time.